¿Sí?
Ahora una firma de este lado, señor.
La certificada la pido aquí.
Exactamente.
Traigo el testamento y le digo, quiero una copia certificada.
Ok.
¿Y cuánto me cuesta, no sabes?
No sé, ya le diré a mis compañeros.
Ok.
Sería todo, mire, te devuelvo su INE.
Ok, muchísimas gracias, muy amable, hasta luego.
Ahora una firma de este lado, señor.
La certificada la pido aquí.
Ya estoy grabando lo que estoy viendo aquí. Puedo tomar una clase mientras lo grabo.
Oye, démosle, no voy a ir
Pues my lead code.
a lo de la comisión para depositar el dinero.
Sí, pero vamos primero a ver.
Pero eso de la comisión está por aquí, no por este rumbo.
La comisión
está
allá arriba en Vicente Guerrero, ¿no?
Ajá, por Vicente Guerrero.
Given an interior array nums, so the non-decreasing number, remove the duplicate in one place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Since it's impossible to change the length of the array in some languages, you must instead have the result be placed in the first part of the array nums. More formally, if there are k elements after removing the duplicates, then the first k elements of nums should hold the final result. It does not matter what you leave beyond the first k elements. Return k after placing the final result in the first k slots of nums. Do not allocate extra space for another array. Must be doing by modifying the input array in place with O1 extra memory. Custom judge. The judge will test your solution with the following code. Integer nums with the input array. Integer expected nums. The expected answer with correct length. Integer k remove duplicate nums. Call your implementation. Insert k equal expected nums. That length. For integer 1, I less than k, I plus assert nums. I equals expected nums.
Les dijo que quedaba martes, más tardar miércoles.
Ajá, y le hablamos y que no.
If all assertion pass, then your solution will be accepted. So the assert is k equals expected nums, that length. So for integer equals 0, I less than k, which is expected, I plus plus.
Y me da pena, ahora sí, que yo lo
asserted nums length.
siempre cuando uno recomienda, cuando queda uno mal.
Sí, hombre.
Inputs nums equals 1,1,2 output.
Pero ya la segunda vez ya no.
Que había batallado usted con
el
mecánico.
Sí, que la llevaban y él la arregló. Él la arregló bien. Y me gustó porque me dijo, no señora, déjeme hacer los estudios, las pruebas.
So you have let it know, so
Yo dije, mira, que honesto es, ¿no? Pero ahora
you need an unique. That means that you start deleting or getting the number of the array index right after you get to the number. You write it down in a list. You write down how many of the next index are the same number, and until they finish, then you stop and then you erase all those indexes numbers and then continue to the next one and proceed to do the same instruction. That's what it kind of looks like it is going to be. And here we can write it in Python, Java, Python 3, or C. Alright, let's watch at the hands. In this problem, the key point is to focus on the input array being sorted. As far as the duplicate elements are concerned, where is their position in the array when the given array is sorted? Look at the image above for the answer. If we know the position of one of the elements, do we know the position of the elements? Show hint 2. we need to modify the array in place, and the size of the final array will potentially be smaller than the size of the input array. So we ought to use a pointer approach here, one that will keep track of the current element in the original array, and another one just for the unique elements. We need to modify the array in place, and the size of the final array will potentially be smaller than the size of the input array. So we ought to use a two-pointer approach here. One pointer that keeps track of the current element in the original array, and another one for the unique elements. Or I guess instead of like doing an in-place array thing, you just do a new array. Essentially, once an element is encountered, you simply need to bypass its duplicates and move. Alright, that's a better approach, I guess. I thought you needed to modify the original array, and also, but by actually getting a second array and then substituting the array for the original, that's how you get to the answer.
Así que ya no está enfriando, por lo mismo caliente que está.